Whether your congregation is down the street or across the world, Dacast makes it simple to bring your services online, live, on demand, and on any device. Here's a complete walkthrough of your church live streaming workflow. From your Dacast dashboard, head to Live Streams and click Create Live Stream. You'll see several options: Standard Pass-Through, HLS, Go Live in Dacast, or VOD-to-Live. For this demo, we'll go with a standard pass-through channel, the most common setup for churches using an external encoder. Once your stream is created, you'll land on the encoder setup page. Choose between RTMP and SRT. We'll go with RTMP. Select your encoder from the list. Here we're using OBS. Then generate your stream key. Copy your RTMPS URL and paste it into OBS as the server destination. Then copy and paste your stream key. That's all it takes to connect your equipment to Dacast. Rather use your webcam? Go back to Create Live Stream and select Go Live in Dacast. Once created, you'll see a built-in streaming window right in your browser. Adjust your camera and microphone settings, then hit Start. You can choose to record the stream automatically, highly recommended, or go live without recording, and just like that, you're live. Back in your dashboard, your live streams list gives you a full view of all your broadcasts. Head over to Videos to access your recorded content, then click on Playlist to start building your sermon library. Give your playlist a title, Sermon Library, for example, hit Create, and it's ready. You can then select folders or individual videos from your library and add them directly to the playlist. Everything organized in one place. Want to invite your congregation to support your ministry? In the paywall menu, you can set up donation-based or paid access options. Set a name, choose a price, define the recurrence, one-time or subscription, and save. Each live stream or video can have its own pricing, giving you full flexibility for special events, sermon series, or gated content. Once your content is ready, sharing it is effortless. Select any video or live stream from your list and open the Share options. You'll find an embed code in JavaScript or iframe format, a direct content ID, and a shareable link. Paste the embed code into your church website to display a fully branded ad-free player, or share the link directly on social media to reach your congregation wherever they are. And there it is, your complete church live streaming setup with Dacast.